Hello friends, I am CA Riddhi Ved, cleared my CA final examinations in November 19 and I am a proud Navkarite. Today I will tell you my journey about how I cleared my examinations. This is the toughest exam as we all know. So I can give you some tips which I followed and that may help you. First of all, writing practice is very important, guys. We have practical subjects as well as theory. So you need to have writing practice in practical subjects. We already have a separate subject for audit. So don't do audit in practical subjects. Solve each and every question, and maybe if you are solving for the first time, solve it very roughly, but your concept should be clear. Don't do audit in practical subjects, solve each and every questions. And for theory subjects, whenever you are reading audit or IDT, whenever you are studying from study material, ICI's module, highlight the points which you think are important, because it is not possible that every time you read each and everything again and again. Use highlighters, markers, sticky notes especially, which I used a lot, and use different color pens like green and red. That may help you to focus on the points which are important. And now coming about the Navkar exams, they are very important. We cannot do direct practice at ICI exams. Whatever mistakes you think you have made at Navkar exams, make sure that they don't get repeated at ICI's exam. And here at Navkar, do post analysis of exams, that if you have exams at 6 to 9, then after going home from 9:30 to 11, there should be a post analysis of whatever you were not able to solve or not able to attend. Please do a post analysis. 3 to 4 years of RTP and MTP is must, because that's where you will know what ICI actually asks, and there may be some questions which are difficult and different. So RTP and MTP is must. In theory, we have whatever Fennel sir teaches us, I did that. And for IDT, we have Smith sir and Dhaval sir. So please choose a material only after consulting the respective faculty. And the support from Navkar is immense. Since CPT I am here, and even after becoming CA, we had the placement sessions which are going on right now. So thank you Navkar. At Navkar, we believe in the best.